What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur. Today, I want to show you how to make it as a full-time reseller. How to quit your job and start making money right now. Now, there's a lot of things you can do to start making money. Quit your job, become a reseller. There's so many platforms. There's eBay, Etsy, Amazon. The list seriously will go on and on. Now, I am just going to talk about eBay and Amazon. Now, my personal favorite, is actually Amazon FBA. That's where I sell probably 99.9, 99.8% of all my inventory is on Amazon. The other 0.1, 0.2% is over on eBay. So, with that said, I want to show you 3 items that I picked up today at a Goodwill store. Okay? Not a fancy Goodwill, not even the best in the world, just the run-of-the-mill Goodwill store. Now, all 3 of the things I'm going to show you, okay, they are profitable. I spent about 35, maybe 40 minutes inside Goodwill. I found more than just the 3 things that I'm going to show you. But these 3 things can seriously change your mind. They can change your outlook on the reselling business because you can make some money. So let me show you really quick. So there's a bunch of stuff that I have. Now let me show you. First thing that I picked up right here. It's a Philips Norelco, and you can see it. Let me show you really quick. So you can see it right there. It's the Philips Norelco, the PRQ12 Pro, right there. Picked it up for $2.99. Okay, pretty good deal. I bought this before at like Walmart. I bought it at like Fred Meyer, other stores like that, even Target, and you don't get it for $3. Okay, so currently on Amazon, it is selling for $45.84. which is an incredible deal because I make a bunch of money off this. Now, if you're new to reselling, you're probably not going to be able to buy a Philips product, especially a Norelco product, and sell it. You will probably need to get prior approval. You're going to be gated in the beauty category as well. So those are 2 things that are going to kind of hurt you. But there's other things to buy. Let me show you this. Right here, I bought and this was at Goodwill as well. It's not brand new, it's used. Okay, let me show you right here. This one right here. It's a Sharp EL2630P3. I picked this up for $6.99. It was a blue day today, so I didn't get any deal on that. But $6.99, so let's say $7, and it's currently selling for $64.31. That's new and used. But, wrong button. If I click here, $64.31, and go down, you can see $64.31 is used in acceptable condition with, free shipping. Okay? So, what I want you to understand right here is I'm still going to be able to sell this product and make a bunch of money. Just think about it. The last time you went into a thrift store, Goodwill, Salvation Army, Savers, Value Village, whatever you went into, did you see an electronic section? If you did, for example, this calculator, I didn't know if it worked. Okay, it didn't say it was tested. It didn't say anything. So I went over to a plugin, I plugged it in, and tried to push some buttons. It worked. It turned on. Everything worked just fine. When I got it back home, I was able to check it out and see, okay, I put a roll of paper in it, and I tried it out. It worked. So now, I brought it down to the office. And I'm going to list it, I'm going to sell it, and make some money. The whole point of this, and the whole reason I even bring this up, is because I sell things like these electronic items all the time. It's big, it's bulky. However, you send it off to Amazon, you don't got to worry about, housing it. You don't got to worry about all the, the shipping and stuff. You throw it in a big box, you're good to go. Okay? So things like this is stuff that I sell all the time. Another thing that I already showed you, but I'm going to show it to you again. Right here. This is a Sony Sports. I paid $3.99 for it, but it's a Sony Sports Walkman, the AM FM radio one. That's this one right here. Okay? I paid $3.99 for it. Didn't know if it worked because they don't have batteries, and I actually left the batteries in the car. So ended up buying it because they did have a return policy. If it didn't work, I could return it and get store credit. So I bought this for $3.99, and you can see right here, it's currently selling used in good condition. And the best part is works, comes with unit, strap, and third-party earphones. The unit, the strap, and I don't have the exact headphones for it. Okay, I don't have these, the ones that came with it. Okay, so this is a very good comparison. I can sell it for at least $30, $4.99 shipping. Okay, down here, no other accessories. So I have no clue if this one has the actual, pretty sure it doesn't have the headphones, but so I can sell it for $30 to $45. Okay, and I bought it for $4. Okay, just because it works. So just, based off my little numbers right here, I'll probably make, $80, $70, $80 off all this stuff, which is pretty good, right? It's pretty good money for, 30, 35 minutes in a thrift store. Bought other things as well, not as, glamorous as this, but I'll probably make about $150 from the day. Okay, just by going into one store. So buying stuff like this, the reason why I want to bring it up is because anybody can have a full-time, resale business. Anybody can. With the amount of platforms that there are online, with Amazon, eBay, Facebook, Craigslist, OfferUp, LetGo. There's so many things out there to use. Why not get into it, right? Can you make $100 profit per day? Yeah, you can. And this is by doing thrifting. By going into thrift stores and buying inventory that you can buy, fix up, list it, resell, clean up, whatever you need to do, and you make a profit. People are doing this all over the country. Not just here in the United States either. They're doing it all over Canada, Mexico, in the UK, Australia. You go around any country, reselling is a legitimate business. It's a legitimate way to make money, not just, from home. You can make it online. Okay, you never have to see a customer. You just have to find the products. So if you have any questions on starting your resale business, let me know. I'm here to help you any way that I can. But this is a great business to get into in 2019. A lot of people have bought so much crap over the past year, 2, 3 years that they're pretty much just giving stuff away to these thrift stores, to these secondhand stores, because they don't want it anymore. Just the other day, I actually picked up a KitchenAid spaghetti and fettuccine cutter, and also the dough roller. It came in the box. These brand new sell for about $150. Used, I'll be able to make about $105, $110 from this, and it only cost me $6. Okay, $6 from an add-on or a post on LetGo. So things like that. Be on the lookout, because these things can make you money. If you're looking for another way to make money, looking for a way to get out of your 9-to-5 job, reselling is a great business for you. So again, if you guys have any questions, let me know. You can ask questions down in the comment section below. Hit the thumbs up button if you want more videos on reselling, Amazon FBA, eBay, things like that. And subscribe if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys on the next one.